Happy Sunday, guys. I have my coffee here. And this is JoJo. She wanna go outside. So let's see what is outside. Because I put a bird feeder here. I never had one here. So, Georgie, what are you doing? There it is. See, I put one here. I never had one here in the back of the house, but since I hear a lot of birds here, I thought that it would be a great idea. I'm gonna put my coffee for a second there. Oh, there you go. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day for go for walks today. It has been so cold, guys, here. So cold that, oh my goodness, that I was so sick. But I hope the days start coming much nicer. I hope that we have some more sun and more days like this, you know, because it's super depressing, the life in Cleveland. Honest, guys, I don't know if some of you knows Ohio, but it's from 12 months of the year, it's only 2 months of nice weather and the rest is very harsh. So it makes you a little gloomy, a little depressed. But nobody can be depressed with JoJo girl, right? JoJo? Who cares, she said. Anyways, I'm gonna keep drinking my cup of coffee in my Lindemann cup and watch these birdies and see if they are coming. It was full, so I think they came some birds. I hope so. And I see a couple of birdies there. Anyways, guys, I will see you guys later. JoJo, say goodbye to our followers. JoJo, Georgina, say goodbye, right? Goodbye, guys. Love you all, guys. Have a good Sunday, wherever you are.